So far, rosemary's germinated. Wild lettuce. The tulsi has germinated. I'm not sure if it's the green or the red or both. One of the horehound is germinated. Not sure how it's gonna do because that seed got washed back quite a bit when watering in the pocket. And the same thing for the marshmallow. And oregano has germinated. Nothing with the plantain, the king of bitters, or the sage yet. The feverfew has germinated. It's leggy, but trying to spin everything and adjust all the lights in between what else is growing for the winter herb garden, the winter indoor gardening challenge. The self-heal is germinated. Okay, that's where king of bitters should have been. And I'll probably end up resowing seeds for all of it in a separate container or individual pots as well, to see if we can get better germination and different lighting than trying to light all around the green stalk here.